evening everyone. So I've got a book here named as the rudest book ever. But don't worry, the Toastmaster evaluation are going to be super polite. After all, Toastmasters is a positive organization, isn't it? Right. So now let's dive deep into positivity and start the First of all, I would like to commend Toastmaster Raghav for bringing that unique topic, because you know when you bring that picture, that brings a kind of a uniqueness in your tabletop master, right? So the first speaker here was guest Angad, or a former Toastmaster Angad. So his topic was a sailing ship through a roaring sea. Now the best thing about his speech was that he gave a lot of messages in his speech. Like for example, when he said that the ship always gets through, or when the the airplane always gets through, that gave a quite good messages. And he also gave a very good example, that is Titanic, because when you give examples, the audience are able to relate more with what you speak on the stage, right? So these are two recommendations. Also talking about a recommendation that he could have generated more excitement. His content was wonderful, but he could have generated more excitement by using voice modulation techniques, by giving more pauses, and also using stage well. His posture was slightly like this only. He was in the first half, his hands were in the pocket, so he could have generated more excitement through all these techniques. The second speaker was guest Shashank, and his topic was My Team India. First of all, he said that he hasn't watched more than 10 matches, and I was quite astonished that he knew so well about the cricket team. So that was it. And the best part about his speech was voice modulation, and coming onto the stage for the very first time and speaking like this, that seemed like very holistic table topic. Because for example, when he said, so I was thinking why India did get rejected and now rejected, there was lack of management in the selection. So all these sentences gave quite good examples of voice modulation. That was really commendable. The second thing was hand gesture was on point, and he also took a lot of pauses, which generated a lot of voice modulation, right? And the just one slight recommendation, that he could have used the stage well, right, using the entire stage to add more stars to his wonderful table topic. The next one we had Toastmaster Prachi, and her topic was Gucci, Armani, and the third one I do not remember. So the first commendation is that she took time, right? Because if you are not getting anything, rather than fumbling, you can take few seconds to think about what you want to speak exactly. So that was a very good commendation. The second thing is that she kept asking questions, so that resulted in a very good audience engagement, right? And she also gave quite good messages in terms of when she said that we do not see the struggle behind all the success. So that was a good recommendation. And just a small recommendation, that she could have been more confident, right? She was looking a bit nervous. So yeah. Now coming on to the next, that is guest Chesta and former Toastmaster Chesta. So her topic was public speaking for me is. The best thing about Toastmaster Chesta is that she always keeps a very bright smile on her face, whether she gives speeches or evaluations or anything, she keeps a very good smile. And the second thing was hand gestures were on point, right? Like she wasn't just moving her hands like this, she was also using like this, so hand gestures were also very good. And she gave a lot of quotes by various famous public speakers. But the one commendation would be, rather than using a lot of quotes, she could have given more examples of her her 2-3 years journey in Toastmasters. That could have given audience more idea about what public speaking means for her. Now coming on to the next speaker, that is Toastmaster Vimika. Now how many of you agree that Toastmaster Vimika had best table talk in terms of humor? Right. So, and that was primarily because of, if I talk about jokes, right? If you give a kind of example, that is a good joke. But if you give a joke in including a guy or girl present here, that becomes a very good joke. And there is a very important assumption that the the person whom on joke is passed, that should take it sportingly, right? So that was a really good thing, that she included humor in included Toastmaster Raghav. And one recommendation, that she could have put the paper well before starting a speech, so that the audience can look at her only. Last, that is the guest Neeraj. His topic was Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma versus Friends. So first of all, we should commend guest Neeraj for coming onto the stage, because this was his first time. So as I said, he came on the stage and he resonated with what we here are for. Like, we are here for speaking, right? So he spoke about how the actors in the Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma speaks, right? So that became a kind of a resonance from the Toastmaster objective. And he also included humor when we talked about the Jethalal's father, right? So no recommendations for yes, Neeraj. Kudos to you. That is it from my side. Thank you.